So you know how paralyzing and debilitating it can be to be stuck in the freeze response. So just before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to my channel so you get more content like this to help you heal and transform and grow. Once you have done that, start tapping on the back side of your hand, taking a big deep breath into your belly, exhaling with a sigh. And we're going to start off by saying, I love and forgive myself for freezing. Even though I freeze sometimes, I love and accept myself. Between the eyebrows. It's understandable why I freeze. To the sides of the eyes. Sometimes my mind believes that freezing is the safest. Tapping under the eyes. It's hard for my mind to tell what is a real danger and what is a perceived danger. And so my mind reacts the same by automatically freezing my body. Bring under the nose. And I am grateful to my mind for trying to keep me safe. Tapping under the lips. And I am letting my beautiful mind know that I am safe. Big deep breath. Tap into the chest. I'm choosing to remember that I am safe. And being able to use my voice, say no, express a boundary, advocate for myself, are all options now. Front of the ribs. Even though they weren't options when I was a child. When this freeze response started, I was powerless. And so I learned how to freeze to the side of the body. When I was a child, my brain decided the freeze response worked best. To the wrist. I wasn't able to run away, the flight response. And I wasn't able to fight. And so my mind learned to freeze in order to keep me safe. Back side of the hand. Now this might be intense for you, please stay with me, you are doing great. We're about to start the defrosting process now. And it's normal if intense emotions or thoughts are coming up, just stay with the process. These videos are short and allowing you to access healing inside of yourself. So repeating back after me, I am starting to defrost now. And I am letting my mind know that even though the freeze response was best when I was a child, it's possible for me to feel safe and possible for me to stay in my body, speaking up for myself, saying no, expressing a boundary, walking away, even though this wasn't available for me as a child. Top of the head. I am reclaiming my power in this area now. Deep breath. Choosing to remember that I am safe. Between the eyebrows. And I am empowering myself. To the sides of the eyes. I am safe. And I am powerful. To the eyes. I am strong and I am brave. To the nose. I am courageous. To the lips. And I do a really good job of taking care of myself. Deep breath. to the chest. I am grateful to this part of my brain for automatically activating the freeze response. And I am choosing to let that part of my mind know that I am safe and it's able to relax now. Front of the ribs. Anytime I find myself in freeze response, I'm choosing to tap on my chest. Let's just do that. Let's just tap on the chest. Anytime I find myself in freeze response, I'm choosing to tap on my chest and affirm to myself, I am safe. It's safe for me to walk away now. It's safe for me to speak up for myself. Big deep breath. Front of the ribs. I'm allowing myself to be fully in my body. Just give your body a little shake. Let's just... I'm allowing myself to defrost and be in my body. To the side of the body. I am powerful and courageous. I am strong and I am brave. And I am releasing this freeze response now. The truth is, I am safest when I am present in my body, speaking up for myself, the wrist, and I am able to make powerful choices about who I interact with. I am so grateful to my body, and I am so grateful to my mind. And I am accessing the full potential of my mind and body now. Feeling how strong and powerful I am. Back side of the hand. I'm connecting to how powerful and strong I am in my body and mind now. I am powerful and strong in my body and mind. I am accessing all of my body and mind's power now. And I am grateful to love and accept myself. Deep breath all together. Good job. Leave me a comment down below. How was this tap for you? Even a couple of little emojis. It really, really helps me. It lights up my day reading everyone's comments. So thank you. I reply to all of them personally. I'd also love to invite you to join a 5-day free tapping challenge with me where you can release worry and stress and learn how to love yourself, support yourself. It's also just great to do some tapping every single day so you can learn to overcome things like the freeze response. And if you are ready to really do a deep dive transformation of your life and really rewire your subconscious mind, I work one-on-one with people and mentor them, guide them into very powerful transformations, creating a whole new life for yourself and upgrading and stepping into a new version of yourself. It is incredibly exciting. If you're interested, there's information down below. We can jump on a free 20-minute call. And I also teach people how to use EFT tapping by themselves. There's an online course you can join, or a manifestation workshop where we use EFT tapping to manifest. All the information for that is down below. Thank you so much for doing this video with me, for tapping along with me. And remember, until next time, every single part of you is worthy of love.